Changaram Wetlands located in Ezhupana is home to more than 120 resident and migratory bird species. Why this miraculous bird paradise at Changaram Wetlands is able to support such a large number of birds is because there is little competition between the species as they eat different food. Changaram Wetlands is a birding hotspot in Kerala. Changaram Wetlands are the only place in Kerala where one can see blue-cheeked bee-eaters. The YellowButton is a small button. It is of Old World origins, breeding in the northern Indian subcontinent, east to the Russian Far East, Japan, and Indonesia. It is mainly resident, but some northern birds migrate short distances. Gray-headed swamp-fin. A very large bluish-purple gallinule with a red bill and four-eared shield and red legs and feet with long toes. The tail is flicked up often, revealing fluffy white underpants. Juveniles are duller than adults and lack the red bill and shield. Feeds, often clumsily, at muddy water edges, in reeds, and on floating vegetation. Makes short nasal grunts and croaking sounds. The barn swallow, Hirundo rustica, is the most widespread species of swallow in the world. It is a distinctive passerine bird with blue upperparts and a long, deeply forked tail. It is found in Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Recognizable even at a distance by its extremely long forked tail and dark rump. Cotton teal tiny duck. The male has a bright white head and neck with a dark crown and eyes. Female is plainer, with a strong dark eye line that does not continue back to the nape. In flight, females have thin white edges on the trailing edge of the wings, while males have big white slashes on the wings. Usually seen swimming in freshwater wetlands, including small ponds and farm dams, especially those with extensive floating vegetation. The cotton pygmy goose or cotton teal is a small perching duck, which breeds in Asia, Southeast Asia extending south and east to Queensland, where they are sometimes called a white-quilled pygmy goose. Northern pintail. Elegant, slender duck with long neck and tail. Males have a chocolate brown head with a white slash coming up the neck, white breast, and mostly grey body. Females are patterned light brown. Forages in wetlands and in fields on agricultural waste grains. The bronze-winged jasina is a wader in the family Jacanidae. It is found across South and Southeast Asia and is the sole species in the genus Metapodius. A gangly inhabitant of well-vegetated wetlands, especially ponds and lakes with floating vegetation. The adult's dark neck and bright white eyebrows are unmistakable. The red wattled lapwing is an Asian lapwing or large plover, a wader in the family Caryidriidae. Like other lapwings, they are ground birds that are incapable of perching. Their characteristic loud alarm calls are indicators of human or animal movements, and the sounds have been variously rendered as did he do it or pity to do it, leading to the colloquial name of did he do it bird. Whiskered tern. The whiskered tern is a tern in the family Leridae. The genus name is from ancient Greek Caledonius, swallow-like, from Caledon, swallow. The specific hybridus is Latin for hybrid. Pallas thought it might be a hybrid of white-winged black tern and common tern, writing Sterna physipes, Cladonius leucopterus, et hirundine, Sterna hirundo, natum. This bird has a number of geographical races, differing mainly in size and minor plumage details. CH hybrida breeds in warmer parts of Europe and the Palearctic, northwestern Africa and central and southern Europe to southeastern Siberia, eastern China and south to Pakistan and northern India. The great egret, also known as the common egret, large egret, or great white heron, is a large, widely distributed egret, with 4 subspecies found in Asia, Africa, the Americas, and southern Europe. Distributed across most of the tropical and warmer temperate regions of the world, it builds tree nests in colonies close to water.